my, I call it 5 mile, and have a fun day of four-wheeling, going off-road.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it.
This is the introduction video. My name is Greg, owner-operator, Mountain West Extreme Off-Road Recovery.
A promise, I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss.
We made it out here to 5 Mile Pass. Got the 2 Jeeps. I don't know if you can see the second one. Jed's in the one with the winch. I'm gonna be driving the Hulk around to begin with because I still haven't really driven it since we got the transmission put in. That way, if anything happens, it happens on me. We are getting everything in and ready to go. What up? Ready? You got a rusty roof. Yeah, it's a little bit rusty. I mean, you know, it's all Jeep. Anyway, I still haven't fixed the driver door yet. I gotta climb in through the passenger side. That's awesome, right? In the back, we got Keaton on the phone. Anyway, let's go have some fun in the snow. So follow us.
Come on, Tuck. Go get him. You trying to hit me with a tree? Don't run me over, please. I'm not usually the cameraman, but I'm being one today. The Hulk needs to have lockers. However, I don't think that I'm going to put lockers in a Jeep that does not have 1-tons. So, fun development. The Hulk once again died. And we are in an awesome spot. Basically, there's no road that way. That's the way we were going. And as we were coming back to go down, the Hulk said, yep, nope, I'm shutting off. I think it has something to do with the automatic shutdown circuit. Pretty sure, because it wouldn't just die randomly. Anyway, somewhere out in that area, once we get down through all this, which is going to be fun, is a road that'll bring us back down and around and back over to the parking lot, because the parking lot is about straight that way. And didn't think I was going to have to rescue myself, but gonna have to rescue myself. But unfortunately, I think that's the spot. Mainly because I think it'll pull up and into the freaking steering. Definitely got to set up some recovery points on this Jeep. We're gonna turn around, turn that Jeep around and try to jump the Hulk one last time before we leave Ben with the Jeep and go get the Tahoe and get the Jeep on the Tahoe. Well, get the Jeep on the trailer. It fired up. It got towed from way back there, but it fired up. Well, we are going to get our butts. We are going to get our butts over to the Tahoe, get this thing loaded up before it decides not to run anymore. The fun antics of the Hulk. I guess we got her on the trailer.
Started back up.
It started back up. We got her back on the trailer, and we are loaded up and ready to go. And I don't know what the heck Ben did, but Ben got the door to open. Now all the doors open and close easily. That's super nice. Anyway, thanks for watching. We appreciate it.
You know I'm always honest. There ain't no way I'm ever stopping. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.